Very good morning, student. Yesterday we are learned book back exercise of Vijayanagar Empire and Bahmani Kingdom. One words we are learned. Today we are going to discuss about answering one or two sentences. First question: the four dynasty of Vijayanagar Kingdom, which reference to prominent ruler of each dynasty. The answer is four dynasty, namely first one Sangamam 1336 to 1485. Saluva 1485 to 1505, and Tuluva dynasty 1505 to 1570, and fourth one Aravidu 1570 to 1646 ruled this kingdom. Understood? And second question, the Battle of Talikot. Answer: the Sultan of Deccan Kingdom formed a leakage to fight the Vijayanagar Empire. The combined forces of the enemies met at Sadasivaraya Talikot in 1565. In the ensuing battle known as Raksatandagai, the Battle of Talikot, Vijayanagar was defeated. Once again I will read. The Sultan of Deccan Kingdom formed a leakage to fight the Vijayanagar Empire. The combined forces of the enemies met at Sadasivaraya Talikot in 1565. In the ensuing the battle, who will be won? The known as the Raksatandagai Battle of Talikot, Vijayanagar was defeated. Question number 3. The structure of governance in Vijayanagar Kingdom. The answers: the empire was divided into different mandalam. What is the different mandalam? Nadus, Sadalas, and another. Finally into Gramas. Once again, the empire was divided into different mandalam, Nadu, Satlas, and finally into Grama. Each province was administered by the governor called Mandaleswara. What is the name they call? Mandaleswara. The lowest unit was the village. Each village had a Grama Sabha. Kauda, village headman, looked after the affairs of the village. The army consists of infantry, cavalry, and elephant corps. Understood, all of you? And fourth one, the five independent kingdoms of Delhi Sultanate. First one, Bijpur, Fidar, Ahmednagar, Perar, and Kolkanda. Once again also I repeat: Fidar, Bijpur, Ahmednagar, Perar, and Kolkanda. The fifth question, the educational reforms of Alauddin Khasan Shah. Once again I read the question: the educational reforms of Alauddin Khasan Shah. Answer: Alauddin Khasan Shah on kin accession took special care in founding a school to educate his son and opened institution for the purpose of educating the children of noble family in the art and solitary. Understood, student? Yes. Next we are going to see about answer in detail. Question 1. Discuss the career and achievements of the Krishna Devaraya. The answer: first one, the Krishna Devaraya, who resigned for how many years here? 20 years, was the most illustrious rulers of the Tuluva dynasty. What is the dynasty? Tuluva dynasty. He brought under the control the independent chieftains in the Tungabhadra river basin. The Bahmani Sultan Muhammad Shah had been overthrown and kept in imprisonment by his minister. Krishna Devaraya freed the Sultan and restored him to the throne. Prataputra neglected for the feast and offered to marry of his daughter to him. Who? The what is the name? Krishna Devaraya. Accepting the offer, Krishna Devaraya returned the territory he had conquered from Prataputra. Fifth one, Krishna Devaraya, with the assistance of the Portuguese gunner, could easily defeat the Sultan of Kolkanda and subsequently take over the Raichur from the ruler of Bijpur. The Grateful Dead. Krishna Devaraya built huge irrigation tanks and reservoirs for harvesting rainwater. He built the famous temple of the Krishna Swami Hasara Ramasamy and Vittala Swami in the capital city of Hampi. He distributed the wealth he gained in the wars to all major temples of South India for the purpose of constructing temple gateway is called Rajagopuram in his honor. He had good friendly relationship with the Portuguese and Arabian traders, which increased the empire's income through customs. Pattern of literature, art and architecture. Krishna Devaraya patronized art and literature. 8 eminent luminaries in literature known as Ashtadikkajas adorned his work. Understood, student, you all? Yes. So you all read and come these 5 short answers and 1 detail. Tomorrow I will ask question. Thank you, student.